Oh yeah, I'm getting prepped for the winter storm coming up. The big ice storm for Sunday. Starts Saturday night. I went and found this. Remember, I had my clay pot over there. And the first time I used it, it cracked in half. So I got all my money back. And I went over to Tractor Supply and bought this for $1.99. It was the last one they had. I've seen them before. I thought they're cool. It weighs about 80 pounds, is made out of heavy duty steel. I mean, it's as solid as a rock. Beautiful fire pit. Absolutely beautiful. I got a starter log in there, of course. Now what I've done is I've done a lot of work on the back patio here. I went ahead and sanded, well, polymer sand, all the joints in my brick, which I haven't done that in a while. It needed it. Plus, I brought up some of my artwork. Oh yeah, welcome home, North Carolina. That's right, let's see that again. Welcome home, North Carolina. Brought my bench up here, my stone granite bench. Also brought up my log organizer, wrought iron with the poker. Brought up my other park bench, threw the old one away, which I think I've said that in another video, but just landscaped out the yard, of course, as you guys know already, with pine straw. And this is the view from here. Brought up my artwork plant and wrought iron base. Good old Capitol Boulevard. But yeah, that's nice, man. Plus two, got a supply of lumber here with a bunch of starter logs I had. It's a match light. I went shopping over at Sam's Club and loaded up. And are you hungry? I know you are, because I'm making a half a gallon of chicken soup. That's right, homemade chicken soup. Look at that. Look at how much chicken is in there, man. Nice. And being that we got this big ice storm coming in, I went ahead and stocked up the old pantry with tons of stuff. Got everything ready to go. Big thing of coffee. Also from Sam's Club. So I'm ready. Kitchen's ready. I had to bring in my yucca plant because it's getting a little cold. And this plant does not like to be cold. So I brought it in. Switched over to Ultra because that's what Sam's Club has. But yeah, man, this is nice. What a view. And see, I just sit here in my chair. And this is the view I have for my place in Raleigh. Nice. $1.99 for that. I love it. I just wanted everybody to be safe because this storm is going to be something else, man. Saturday night is going to be a clash between a cold front and a wet front, a high and a low, and then all hell's going to break loose. But bottom line is they're saying for sure that we're going to definitely get a lot of ice. So that's the call. We're getting a lot of ice. And well, I don't have to go anywhere. I'm stocked up. I got lumber, I got a fire pit, I got beer, got food. We're ready, man, for anything. That's prepping, man. That's city prepping. Leave those comments. Love you guys. You know that. Thumbs up. And show some love to the brother. Y'all stay tuned. Stay blessed. Tom out of here.